Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics 101. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to transfer your XRP from Coinbase to Binance in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just diversify your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Coinbase account with some XRP in it, a Binance account ready to receive funds, and two-factor authentication enabled on both for extra security. Oh, and keep an eye on any 2025 updates to crypto regulations or platform changes. The crypto world evolves fast. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard, find your XRP balance, and click on Withdraw. You'll be prompted to select XRP as the asset. Now, switch to your Binance account. Go to your wallet section, select XRP, and copy the wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check it to avoid any mishaps. Back on Coinbase, paste that Binance wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which might vary in 2025 depending on blockchain updates. Hit Confirm, and verify the transaction with your 2FA code. You'll get a confirmation email, so keep an eye on that. Once the transfer is initiated, it usually takes a few minutes to an hour for XRP to show up on Binance, thanks to its fast Ripple network. While you wait, monitor your transaction on a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan to ensure everything's smooth. A few quick tips. Always use the official apps or websites to avoid scams, be aware of any minimum transfer amounts, and consider the current market volatility. XRP prices can swing. If you run into issues, both platforms have solid support teams. There you have it, folks. That's how you transfer XRP from Coinbase to Binance in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.